G'day everybody there at FTX. If you haven't got your 10% off your trading fees, there's a description link below and I want you to go and get it because it's going to save you some money and there's going to be some money made. So 10% more, you beauty. The other thing is as well, if you want to learn how to go long, short, in the description below, the videos are also there and management of risk on the FTX platform. So got to say I'm nervous. I'm genuinely nervous. You got to understand, like I dropped everything back in, it wasn't July. I started buying crypto and getting involved in the space in July of 2017. Started trading about, I think it was September, October, roughly. And it changed the way I saw myself as a trader, and I dropped everything. Stopped trading all legacy markets and focused on crypto. Now we've got, FTX didn't exist around there. If you go back to some of my early day podcasts, you'll hear me just harping on about the need for trading tools, the need for a platform like FTX. Now, it took about a year until that came out, I believe it was, and now we've got it. So it makes it so much easier. The reason I'm nervous is that I took that risk, I took that chance, I started a business in tradercobb.com. We've put out more free content, a free course as well. For those that haven't seen it, I've also put quizzes in here, so you can actually go through each section. This is all completely free, by the way, and do test yourself, so you can actually be learning as you go. Of course, it covers everything, price action, setting up your accounts, where to get it, where to get things from, all sorts of bits and pieces there. It's really, really good stuff, and I'm very proud of it. But for me, the nerves come from, when I used to play rugby, I'd get butterflies. When you get that feeling in your stomach and you feel a bit sick. And my coach and my dad used to always say, it's good because the game means something to you. You've prepared, you've practiced, you're ready. And I've got that nervousness because this is what I've been waiting for. This is the market that I've been waiting for. I'm a good trader. I know how to make money in markets, and these markets move extraordinarily well. I got a little 5-minute breakout trade yesterday. I made money on it. I had a tight stop and I trailed it on the 5-minute. Some of my clients that had a different plan on that are up, 18, 19 times their risk multiple. That's 19x on their risk. You risk 1,000, even at scale out. We're talking $10,500 or $9,500. So it's mind blowing, and I do have that nervousness, not just for myself to make sure I do the right thing, but also for you guys. Are you ready? There's so many people that have said, I'll do it when, I'll do this when, I'll learn how to trade when. Now's the time. You need to know it. Now's the time. I'm also nervous that if we keep doing this running through Christmas, I'm not going to get any time off. I'm going to have to trade, and I'll be going up to Noosa Heads in Queensland, and I'm going to have to buy a couple of screens up there because I'm not missing this. No way in the world am I missing this best opportunity of my entire career, 15 years in the making. Now's my time, and I want to bring you with me. I'm nervous. Got to get out for a walk soon. 17,685. 5.66%. Now, how about a little bit of perspective? I've got to use this chart here because it's got more data, but look at this. I want to show you something right now. We are 12% from all-time highs. At the moment, guess what? That's 2 days. 11.83% from cracking that $20,000 barrier. Oh, I don't feel the hysteria. I don't feel the same hype that we felt back in 2017. I think we've got a long way to go. We will see a pullback at some stage, and I'm actually hopeful for it because that's where I get my trades on. Pullbacks are where I make money. Right now, I'm waiting for a pullback to 17,000. That's what I'm after. Get me to 17 or around about 17 so I can get another one like that. I want that over here, and I'm good. My list today, it's pretty much all perp contracts. Check it out. I'm still long balancer. My entry was back here, my stop's there, so I don't know what the multiple there is, but I know that pretty much everybody in my community, well, not everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, a lot of people got this. So currently where we're at, what do we got? Nearly 4-1. Hey, it's not 10-1, but it's not bad, and I'm still in, and my stop's currently right there. So hopefully I get a higher low and maybe another opportunity to take another trade and get going. So I am watching Balancer quite closely here because this 2 hour, it's trending quite nicely. I might actually get a trade right there, so hence why I'm telling you about it. XRP, it's popped off beautifully well, smashing its way through a level I've been talking about for a long time. I bought more on the break of this candle. and it's running quite nicely. So a really strong trend there. And I'm just waiting for pullbacks. The 4 hour would be ideal, really, getting back into here. Kind of hoping today does pull back. If it doesn't, then I'll be looking for higher lows in the lower time frames and trading those time frames. Yield, friggin', oh, geez, whoa, that was close. Yearn, not yield, fine, yearn. Oh, geez Louise, watched this yesterday, looking for a break, didn't quite get it. Now I'm just waiting. I'll go low. We got good trend. I'll wait for pullbacks. Give me a pullback into somewhere around here. I'll be on it. It could be a 15-minute. I don't care. I couldn't care less. I want to get filled. Raised an order this morning here on mid-perp. Didn't get it. It broke down, so I cancelled the order. But I am watching it closely still. A little bit more of a pullback could be really good in that 2 hour. Even the 1 hour, it's kind of left. It's left the station. But if it keeps moving like this, I've got all these points for higher lows, so I could get trades there as well. Tron, haven't talked about Tron for a long time, but look, we've pushed up. We're in an uptrend. A pullback into here. If we do see a pullback, will be really, really nice. Rune has taken off once more. Here we go, back in here. Higher low, higher high, pulling back into old levels. Could see an opportunity for a little bullish candle in there on that 1 hour, waiting to see what happens. Uniperp, this I like. Look at that. Bullish candle in the cradle, higher lows, higher highs, only just a higher low here. Like there is 2 candle pullback, which is part of the pullback process. So I'm going to be raising orders there more than likely. You make your own decisions. You stick to your checklist, right? I'm not telling you what to do. I never tip. Letting you know it's something that you need to go and check against your list and see how you go. So guys, oh my goodness. Got to shake off a bit of negative energy. Nervous energy. Because today's a day. Man, today's a day. Guys, have a fantastic day. And look, get across tradercobb.com. It's absolutely free. There's nothing that you can do that's going to better you more today than get stuck into that. I really mean that. I've been here a long time. We've got what we need. Yeah, I'm passionate. And yeah, I'm telling you, go and do it. Because you just don't want to miss out on what we've got going on. All right? So have a good day. Really have a good day. Bye.